This is Christmas Eve 2024. I am at my usual haunt at CHING, and I think the church service is just over. This is the main decoration of CHING shop this year. Everybody take their family photograph behind this backdrop, very beautiful backdrop, and they are expecting the families to come for evening dinner after the mass, the sunset mass. And you can see CHING also have their waitress wearing Christmas costume, and the families are now filling up the restaurant. It's the council's Christmas tree, and the families are now filling up all the red decorated tables, and the girls, the workers are all in their Christmas outfit, all red. All the extra waitress, the staffs, all in red Santa costume, not Santa, but the red Christmas. She's the chief captain, okay? And CHING boss is now busy attending to the lots of family tables. So they will have family dinners for a Christmas Eve. Well, that's a joyful occasion for the Penampang people. Christmas music in the background. There's a lady, so Christmas Eve, nice decoration. The moods in Donggongon, Christmas mood in Donggongon. Of course, people come out, family. It's a family night. The best way is to just occupy a family table there for 10. And CHING has a special promotion tonight. If the table expenditure is $50 or more, you have a chance to spin the wheel, and that is the wheel there. You got the bill of $50 or more. You can go and spin the wheel, and they call it lucky draw, and the prizes are here. You got prizes, attractive prizes for the lucky draw wheel. That's the wheel, a lucky draw wheel. And of course, back to the shop. Welcome to CHING. A good backdrop to take your family photograph. Nice to remember. And of course, it will be open on 25th, even on Boxing Day. They will continue. And they have another attraction here. What is here? Wow, special garage. Oh, ice cream. Oh, hey. You got ice cream. Carries. Good luck to all the folks. Merry Christmas to all Penampang guys. Okay, I'm going home soon because now CHING is busy. While the other side, let's go and have a look at Dragon. She's dressed up. Yeah, very good. And the basking band is just about to begin. Yeah. The baskers are just about to begin your Christmas performance. Oh, and the firecrackers is starting to come out. Yeah. Let's see. Dragon is getting filled up also. Yeah, the customers are coming. And Dragon has a special attraction here. Dragon has a photographic session also here. All the customers of Dragon, I think, can go and I don't know what's the arrangement. They can go and have a family or portraits taken. And Dragon has hired this professional photographer to take family photograph for the night. Okay, it's saying Momento Sabah photo booth. Okay, this is Dragon punya attraction. Yes, and this is quite a professional setup. Christmas background on the back is nice, especially for the children. And look at the here, you got the umbrella type lighting reflector, flash reflector, so it's very nice. And here's a family. Here's a family getting a family photograph taken. Okay, come on. Wow. Family photograph taken. Nah, okay. So this is the good idea from Dragon to attract all the tables are also getting filled up. Okay, Merry Christmas, folks. Good night.